Using chats with jobs for effective communication. In the monthly bookkeeping pipeline, the first stage can include an automation that sends a message to clients. To do this, begin by creating a message template on the Templates page. Select Firm Templates, open the Chat sub-tab, and click Create Template. This template will be used to notify clients when the bookkeeping job begins, requesting that they upload the necessary statements to reconcile and finalize the previous month's books. When creating the chat template, include custom data in the title, such as the account name and last month's short code, so you can easily locate the thread. It is helpful to use similar titles for both jobs and message threads. For example, your job template title can include the same short code as the message template, making it simple to identify related items. If you need your client to complete tasks, such as sending payment documents, you can add requests via Client Tasks and Messages. Once the client marks a task as complete, a notification will appear in the thread as a separate message. After creating the template, save it and add the message automation to the pipeline. You can also enable the toggle to set the job assignee as the sender, regardless of who was chosen in the chat template. When adding the automation, you can select Create New Thread, which is recommended for each news cycle. For recurring jobs that occur more frequently, such as weekly tasks, you can instead choose Reply to the existing thread to continue the same conversation. Next, add a job to the pipeline. Once the message is sent automatically, it becomes linked to that job. From the job, you can open the thread and continue communicating with the client. When the client replies, you will receive a notification. Clients can also upload files directly into chat threads, which are automatically saved in the Client Uploaded Documents folder. Once all requested data has been provided, the client can mark the checklist in the thread as complete, and you will be notified. If you or a team member creates a chat thread manually, for example with a new document request, you can link it to a job using the Link button. This keeps all communication and documentation in one place.